Hi guys, and thanks for joining us again here at AW Smart Repairs and Black Stag Styling. So we have something a little bit different in with us for, well, the next probably week or so. It's another hydro dipping job, but something a little bit different towards what we're normally hydro dipping. Although we will hydro dip anything pretty much that will fit in our tank, we have a crash helmet. So we've already stripped all the crash helmet. It's now ready to be prepped for the paint. So Fraser's going to be getting this in a moment, start getting it all prepped. We've got to primer it, then we'll have to paint it in red because the customer wants a red base colour and then our forged carbon over the top. So once it's done in the red, we'll then re-prep it, hydro dip it in the forged carbon, so you'll have the nice red base colour underneath. Then of course a lacquer over the top to finish and a little bit of a polish, and then we get everything fitted back up. So as always, thanks for checking out the video. Don't forget, do check out some of the other videos on the channel, as we do have plenty of our hydro dipping and all sorts of different repairs and styling. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the old channel, and we'll start to get this all prepped, ready for the hydro dipping. Here we go, roll the old intros. Right, we're now in the booth, and it's all over to Fraser.
So the helmet's all now prepped up, all stripped and prepped. So we're just going to put our base colour on, which is a red, a pearl red. But first we're just going to do some aerosol plastic primer and then some epoxy primer to cover up all the scratches. So
just want to make sure you got your pretty face in it there, mate.
yeah, why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you?
All ready to go, are we?
Yep.
So what are we now about to put on, mate? First,
We're now about to put on some plastic primer.
Oh, lovely.
Because it's plastic.
Good choice, sir. Good choice. And this is the U-Pole range, isn't it? There we go. Of course, all the products are supplied by
Our main man Ian at Movax on Portman Road. They love us here and we love them.
Oh.
So this is a delightful 64 U-Pole. Delicious, actually.
Oh, good choice, sir. Good choice. And then we're going to go for a little bit of high build primer, aren't we?
High build primer this is a lovely spectral. This is a 395, absolutely delicious with lovely spaghetti.
Oh, spaghetti?
Very nice.
Must be Italian, is it?
Si, si. See, the helmet is now all primed. We've had lunch, which was lovely. We had doner kebabs, great choice for Friday.
It was nice, wasn't it, mate?
That was
nice.
good. So now we're going to put on Velocity Red Pearl is what it's called.
Nice.
And this was supplied by Nick's Automotive Paints. Brilliant little paint supplier they are.
They are.
Good old
Good.
Nicky, yep.
Nick and Nick, isn't it?
Yeah, Nick and Elaine as well.
And Elaine, yes, that's right. We do love them. I'll put, do you know what? We'll put the link down below for them. There you go. Right, let's lay down some colour. Oh, look at that. Right, here we go, now over with Francois and Domi, ready to do the hydro dip and Onzi crash helmet in the forged carbon. It's all painted in the red, the helmet is, so we'll see how they're getting on. Here they are. Oh,
hello Alex.
Oh, we're not doing this yet.
Hello.
Right, okay. So, this Arvo, mate, we're going to be dipping, hydro dipping, this lovely helmet here. You're going to see half of it because we've used special effects to cover the other half.
So it doesn't show on the camera?
Yeah, we don't want you to see it yet. You can see this side.
Okay, so it's already in the red.
Yeah, so what we need to
velocity
do
red, isn't it?
is it's in velocity red. We now need to mask up this side so we don't get any hydro dipping on it. Luckily, here's one I done earlier. So as you can see, this one's all sheeted up so that when we dip it, we only cover half the helmet.
Is that sticky back plastic?
Yep, sticky back plastic you can get from any good DIY store.
Blue fitted job that.
Yep.
Well done, fantastic.
And this is the film that we're going to be dipping
Here we
in.
go, here's our forged carbon.
We used to use real carbon, but now we just use forged, so...
Shh! Can't be saying we're using forged
Oh yeah,
carbon.
sorry, it's not fake, it's real.
We get ourselves in trouble. Anyway, we use this carbon down here, that may well be forged, to dip the helmet. Right, here we go.
Let's do it.
Yeah, Bob.
Right, we're just heading over to see how Fraser's getting on with the crash helmet. Just now going into the booth where he's got it all masked out. So here it is, and it's going to have the couple of black stripes put onto it. Here he is, here's the man himself.
Oh, hello, me
The
load.
Francois.
How you doing, me load?
Very well, mate, very well. How are we getting on with this crash helmet?
All good, that's all masked out, all fine lined and papered. Ready for some
black
lovely
stripes.
black racing stripes.
There we go, look. So we're matching them, as you can imagine, all the way round. So let's get the black stripes on next to the mate, then unmask it.
Yeah, we're going to get the black stripes on, lacquer it, and then we'll re-prep it all, add the stickers, and then yeah, we'll lacquer it up again in the satin lacquer, which it will be finished in.
Super. Right, we are now going to go over and see how Fraser is getting on with the helmet. So he's done the black lines across the top of the crash helmet. It's been re-lacquered. We're now about to re-prep it, ready to have our little decal, our Black Stag shield put on the back, and then of course re-lacquer it. So we're going to see how he's getting on. Right, oh, before we do, of course, as we like to show you, here's some of our hydro dip finishes we do. So there's quite a quantity. We can get other finishes as well. But don't forget, you can always check out our website at Black Stag Styling. Have a look at a few of the finishes. Check us out on all the other socials, of course, as well, like Instagram and Facebook. See some of the other stuff we get up to with our hydro dipping. Of course, our merch as well. There's our t-shirts. There's our mannequin with the bits and pieces on. But let's go and see how Francois is getting on in the workshop. Hello, Francois. How we doing, pal?
All good, mate. Just sanding down this helmet again. Looking
Lovely.
at all lovely there. The racing stripes we put on.
Yeah, I was just saying to the viewers about the racing stripes.
And
Good,
then
mate. Look
this
good.
is the side I've started prepping now. So we're just re-prepping it all with some 1200 grit to get out any imperfections that were in it, which wasn't many because I'm so good at my job.
Yeah, you are. You're just a pro.
I think there was one in the whole thing. Just one.
And then you had to search for that, didn't you?
Yeah, that was hard to find. And then we're going to put on the Black Stag decals.
Yeah.
And then re-lacquer it in the satin lacquer, which is what it will be finished in.
Oh, I've forgotten about the satin lacquer, so
Yeah, well,
remembered.
I hadn't, mate.
Thank goodness you hadn't. Right, superb, mate, superb. What are we flatting it back with?
1200.
Yeah. Get it ready and raring to go.
So we're now going into the booth to see young Razor, who has just got the helmet in there, all ready to get lacquered up. Let's go in and see him. Here he is, look. Got his special hat on.
Oh, Alan!
Hello! Okay. I was just telling the viewers that you got your special hat on.
That's my special hat.
That's a very nice hat. Right, so we're all prepped up. It's been lacquered once already, but we've just prepped it up again and put our lovely decals on it. Nice Black Stag shield there on the back. And then around the front edge there, where are we? Around the front edge here we have another very subtle, let's do the Black Stag stickers on the side there. Looking lovely. It's all been hydro dipped in the forged carbon with red underneath, and then it's going to be done in satin lacquer, I believe.
Right, so we are now back into the spray booth where the crash helmet has now pretty much been finished with the paintwork side of things, well, the hydro dipping and the paintwork. So I'm going to give you a quick view of this. We have still got to fit it all up, so the final view, of course, we'll do all at the end once everything is all back together. But we thought we'd just give you a quick view as it stands now. So we have added a couple of our little decals to this, and of course it is in a satin lacquer. So let's have a little look. Don't forget to give us a shout if we can help with anything like this. So here we go. Here is the finished crash helmet. So let's just move around to the front. So we've got our black lines across it, so our black stripes, all now finished in a matte lacquer. Sorry, a satin lacquer, not matte lacquer. So we've got the stripes on it. We've got our Black Stag crest at the bottom there. Again, that's all been matte lacquered in. Move across back to the front. And we've got our Black Stag edition decal there as well. So we'll, like I say, we'll get this all fitted back together and then give you a nice little view at the end. Right. Hello there, pal. Oh, you're looking good.
Good morning.
Yeah, I don't forget you got your sunglasses on.
Oh, yeah. Right, we're now getting there, getting it all back together, look.
Well done, pal.
Coming
well
on
done.
now. Yeah. Oh, a little bit of visor there. A little bit like that.
Clever, isn't it?
Yeah, they are good, that.
Yeah.
The inner...
Yeah, I do say like that.
Oh, yeah. You need a little lever on the side of your head.
Yeah. Oh.
That'll do.
But yeah, a few more bits to go back in. This little sort of hat looking bit.
Yeah.
These sides, yeah. But we're getting there.
Bit of a challenge, isn't it?
It's been a bit of a challenge. Got a little lacquered in, nice crest on the back there. Bit of Black Stag. Still got your safety sticker on the back, so still good to use. Lovely.
Got a little Black Stag logo on the side as well, haven't we?
Oh yeah.
We'll give it a proper look, obviously, once we're all
Mentioned
together
that, yeah.
as well, but just got that down the side there as well.
Yeah, baby.
Lovely. There's some more of our finishes, look, on the board. There we go. We do love our hydro dipping. So there you go, give us a shout if you want to have a chat about any of our hydro dip finishes. And the old Black Stag Styling and AW Smart Repairs.
Yeah, baby.
Right, we'll leave Ad finishing that up.
Like and subscribe. All that business, you know.
Right, subscribe, you know it, pal, you know it. Right, so we have now finished the crash helmet here at Black Stag Styling. First crash helmet we've got involved with for our hydro dipping, and as you'll know from watching the video, customer chose the forged carbon finish. He chose his own red base colour that he wanted, so we've prepped it all, done it in the red, hydro dipped it in the forged carbon, and then because of how the hydro dipping works, we have then done the black stripes across the top. So I'm now going to show you this. So like I say, all been fully prepped, done in the red to begin with, then done in the forged carbon over the top, the black stripes running across the centre just to get rid of where the film stretches. And then we have of course added our Black Stag shield, which you can just hit the bottom there. Okay, and then our Black Stag edition sticker on the front. There we go, so that on the front section as well. Like I say, stripes run all the way round, as in from the front across to the back. And then the whole thing has been done in a satin lacquer to finish it all off. Looking rather smart, this. There we go. So now all done, ready to go back to the customer, so we give him a call, he can come and collect it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the all notifications so you can stay fully up to date with everything we're doing. Give us a shout here at Black Stag Styling if we can help with anything. And we'll catch you again soon for another video. Take care. See you soon.